Hi everyone, this is Mark Jr. with All Clear Cleaning again. This is Tuesday afternoon and I hope everyone's having a good start to their weekend. So I'm just here going to be answering some more questions for you guys, and we're going to continue down that process. We've been answering, basically had a series going on, so hopefully you guys have been checking those videos out and leaving some comments for us, and I'll be checking in from time to time and answering any questions you got for you. So today we had a customer in Marietta send us a question about what exactly roof washing is. So we've all driven by those houses where you look at the roof and it's completely black with the mold on it, and that's basically what it is. The shingles start growing a mold on there. It's called Glioxyma magma. That's the long name, but it's basically just mold. And also there's moss that could be grown on your roofs. So a lot of people don't realize that there is a way that you can actually get rid of all that, and it stays off for, we offer a 2-year guarantee, but it usually stays off a lot longer than that. So it's an exciting new service that we've been offering here. We've been doing it for a couple years now, and the results have been nothing short of amazing. Most jobs, these roofs come out looking almost brand new. So a lot of people really don't know that it can come off. So it does, and we can do it. So if you go to our website, you can check out some before and after pictures that we offer, and you can see the work that we've done. So if you have any questions, look that up or give the office a call, and one of our people will talk to you and walk you through the process and the steps taken. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave comments and check us out on YouTube and Facebook. You guys have a good day. Thank you.